Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit menu items in Shopify. This is essential for organizing your store's navigation and making sure customers can easily find what they're looking for. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage where you can access all your store management tools. Now, look over to the left side panel of your dashboard. Here, you'll see various options for managing your store. Click on Content. This section houses all the elements related to your store's pages, blog posts, and navigation menus. Under the Content section, you'll see several options appear. Go ahead and click on Menus. This is where all your store's navigation menus are stored and where you can make changes to how they appear on your site. You'll now see a list of all the menus you've created for your store. For this example, we're going to select Main Menu. This is typically the primary navigation bar that appears at the top of your store, so it's important to keep it organized and user-friendly. Once you've opened the main menu, you'll notice you can change the name of the menu itself if needed. This is useful if you want to create multiple menus for different parts of your store. Below that, you'll see all your current menu items listed out. To edit any menu item, simply click the pencil icon next to it. This will allow you to change both the label, which is what customers see, and the link, which is where they'll be directed when they click on it. This is particularly helpful if you want to rename a category or redirect a menu item to a different page. If you want to remove a menu item entirely, click the trash can icon next to it. This instantly deletes that item from your menu, helping you keep your navigation clean and focused. Want to add more items to your menu? No problem, just click Add Menu Item. This opens up a field where you can type in a new label and select or paste the link you want it to direct to. This is great for adding new product categories, pages, or promotional sections. Now, here's a handy feature. You'll notice small dots appearing before each menu item. Click and hold these dots to drag the menu items up or down. This allows you to rearrange the order of your main menu, putting the most important categories first or organizing them in a way that makes sense for your store layout. Once you're happy with all your changes, make sure to click Save at the top or bottom of the page. This ensures all your edits are applied and will be visible on your live storefront. And that's it, you've successfully edited your Shopify menu items. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.